Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sobhan and how you're feeling is. In this video we try to drawing a little elephant for kids, but not exactly for kids. Everybody they can use it video, and this practice is very simple and very fun. And before we begin, I want to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you can do it, please share it to your friends. Let's start it. Before the start video, I want to show to you my drawing for kids, of course for kids. This sketchbook for me a specialty for children. And now I started a new drawing. First time I draw you one circle is there like this, and one circle is there for the body. And now I use the line horizontal and vertical, and exactly is here I use another circle again, and one circle is there and one circle is here. And next step, I using the shape of the mouth of the elephant like this. Then into the circle again I use it this shape and this shape. A little the shape of the eyes is different. Right eyes another model, and left side another model. Then I use a new circle into the eye for show the detail of the eyes. And now the best time for form of the face and head like this. Is here better than connecting to mouth. And this here again connecting. And for now, there's time for showing the ear. The elephant has a big ear is there. It's really good time for showing the detail. And now I want to drawing the legs and hands of elephant. I use it two line is here, and again one circle is here better than is here. Is here is better. This is need to clean it with razor. It is better. And now I use it wrap it. If you haven't wrap it, you can use black pencil color or another pencil for sketching like B2, B4 or B6 depending to you. And if when you use the wrap it and it's not working, better than use this eraser. It's really good. After a little massage I use it. a little, fade it, and now rapid it work better. Did you see that? And just for test, I want to use black pencil color, but a little like a charcoal. The color of this not exactly black, a little light between gray and black. But for my paint it's okay. And for now, you are understand better in this video. And for now, I use it a little. Pressure is here. And I have a little detail is here for the ear, and it's here too. And this shadow better than for showing the details of the face. And I use it with very low pressure of my hands. And this here to show it the more details. His face off is really fun. Maybe her face off, depending the your choice. His face or her face. And now I want to show the details of the body. And I drawing the nails of elephant, nails and fingers. And then I use it little shadow or show the air is here and ground. And for now, a little shadow here. And here too. A little shadow, like a sketch. And you can using for shadow circle like chain, and you can using a hatchet style, chain and hatchet style. And is here a little using shadow to here and here. And depending to you, up to you, you can more details or not. But it's enough. It's enough. And a little hair is here. Show it for more fun. At the end, again, I use it eraser for filling the base drawing. And if you want, you can using white pencil color for more detail. And not necessary. I just do it for fun. But it's really cool. Did you see that? Maybe better is here using a little shadow. And now it's ending. I hope you like it. So this video is ending. I hope you like it. It's very simple. I told you. And thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you can do it, please share it to your friends. Until the next video, goodbye, see you later.